Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on HCL Tech. Our analyst maintains buy on HCL Tech with a price target of Rs 1805. HCL Tech reported decent set of numbers for quarter 1 despite the seasonal softness with beat on both revenues and margin front. Despite the impact of the Street International Holdings JV divestiture, the company remains comfortable with the full year revenue and margin guidance, with growth expected to pick up from quarter 2 of FY25. And as clients spend on general AI and other emerging technologies, we expect sales CAGR of 9.7% and PAT CAGR of 14% over FY24 to 26. At current market price, the stock trades at 24.3 times its FY25 and 20.7 times its FY26 estimated EPS. Next, we have an update on Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma reported 9% growth in quarter 1 of FY25 ahead of IPM growth of 8%. In quarter 1, we expect Sun to report 9% sales growth, EBITDA margin of 27% and PAT growth of 24%. The growth is expected to be driven by global specialty sales, which contributes 18% of sales, Tyro and specialty segment driving US sales, domestic region which continues to surpass the IPM growth. Sun has a healthy pipeline of specialty products led by deroxolitinib, which is expected to launch in July 24, which is a meaningful product with no competition. Sun's cash balance on a consolidated level has increased to $2.4 billion, which contributes $1.4 billion Taro cash, which would be utilized towards acquiring meaningful assets yielding double-digit ROI. Sun's healthy product pipeline has enabled it to report 80% gross margins, which is one of the highest in the industry. We maintain buy on the stock. The stock is currently trading at 33 times FY25 and 29 times FY26 EPS. We believe that its superior margin profile and healthy cash balance will enable it to trade at a premium valuation to its peers, thus ascribing a PE of 33 times on FY26 to arrive at a price target of Rs 1800.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.